No matter the size or scope of a project, managing it is a challenging task. Numerous issues could arise, ranging from organizing the particulars to accommodating a client's ever-changing needs and meeting delivery deadlines. However, breaking down the project into manageable stages, each with distinct goals and deliverables, makes it easier to maintain control over the project and ensure the quality of the final outcome. So, what are the project management stages? First, start with planning. You can subdivide planning into 4 main activities. 1. Create a case for the project, identify the problem to solve, and map out a plan to tackle it. 2. Make a preliminary sketch of the project's requirements, including estimates for scope, timing, and resources. 3. Involve all stakeholders, such as employees, contractors, consumers, suppliers, government agencies, communities, and organizations to gather valuable insights. 4. Establish a project hierarchy with the project manager at the top, followed by department managers and subordinates, and choose a structure that works best for the company's needs. Then, analysis. Once you have a solid project strategy, the next step in project management involves analyzing stakeholder and expert data in depth to showcase your ability to move forward. 1. Conduct feasibility studies. 2. Summarize your findings. 3. Seek approval from decision makers. If you like this video so far, consider leaving a thumbs up. It means a lot to us. During planning, you created a project scope overview. In the design stage, you fill in specifics based on feasibility research. For example, digital transformation would cost $75,000 initially, but increase income by $250,000 a year. Design stage data aids decisions, and, if feasible, move to next stage. Development. The execution phase of project management demands the most time and effort. Regular meetings are held to review progress and issues, but as work deepens, changes to the project may arise. Detailed notes on staff problems and solutions are crucial to navigating this phase successfully. Testing, which happens concurrently with development, is the phase in which system bugs are identified and resolved through multiple retests. This includes debugging code and checking that all website plugins function correctly. Testing provides insight into meeting key performance indicators, or KPIs, before proceeding to the next project phase, bringing the project closer to completion. Implementation marks the culmination of your team's efforts where software or a platform is developed, a website is launched, and new digital technologies replace outdated systems. While it signals that the project is ready for consumer delivery, the project management lifecycle is not yet complete. Maintenance is a critical but less time-consuming aspect of project management than development, testing, and implementation. It involves updating website plugins, improving processes, and continuously evolving and improving products or services. With a project management infrastructure in place, regular research and reviews can provide insights on how to enhance operations and improve the process. Quarterly meetings can be held to assess progress and make necessary adjustments. If you want to learn more about project management, make sure you check all of our ebooks at businessexplained.com. Thank you for allowing us to assist you on your project management journey. To learn more about selecting the appropriate project management methodology, stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. Or you can check our channel for new videos if this information is already available.